left you some stuff in your stockings or a present or something.
I stuck in my stocking.
What do you...
I stuck in my...
Check your stocking.
Oh, that one's Daniel's. Yours is Santa, his is Frosty. There you go. There, open it up. I don't know.
Oh, this is what Santa brought you.
Look at that.
Pull him out. It's a cell phone, Daniel.
Yeah, they've been. Yeah, but I don't have the yellow phone.